In the shadowy corners of human behavior, a chilling question lurks. Does an abnormal psychology always lead to an escalated criminal propensity? This seemingly simple question draws us into a labyrinth of psychological theories, societal norms, and legal principles. Our flashlight in this intriguing maze? The case of Charles Manson, a name that sends shivers down the spine of American criminal history. Manson, an enigmatic cult leader, masterminded a series of bone-chilling murders in the late 60s without once staining his hands with blood. This unsettling predicament compels us to ask, was Manson's psychological abnormality the puppet master behind his gruesome acts? Or was it simply a sidekick to his inherently malevolent nature? In the legal system's struggle with abnormal psychology and criminal behavior, the insanity defense, a legal concept based on the idea that a person who is insane cannot have the intent to commit a crime, comes into play. Consider the case of Andrea Yates, a Texas mother who drowned her 5 children in a bathtub. Yates had a history of severe postpartum depression and psychosis, and had been hospitalized several times. At her trial, the defense argued that Yates, due to her mental illness, did not understand her actions were wrong. The jury disagreed and Yates was initially convicted of murder. However, on appeal the verdict was overturned, and Yates was committed to a mental institution. These cases demonstrate the complex interplay between abnormal psychology and criminal behavior. They illustrate that while mental illness can contribute to criminal behavior, it is not a direct cause. Many people with mental illnesses do not engage in criminal behavior, and not all criminals have mental illnesses. In conclusion, abnormal psychology can provide critical insight into the motivations and actions of criminals. However, it is not a definitive predictor of criminal behavior. The legal system, while acknowledging the role of mental illness in criminal behavior, also recognizes the need for personal responsibility. As we venture further into this exploration, our awareness of the complex ties between abnormal psychology and criminal conduct becomes more critical. This understanding can help in formulating strategies to prevent mental health issues from spiraling into criminal activities. Early detection, convenient access to mental health services, and the integration of mental health care within the criminal justice system are only some ways by which this comprehension can be turned into practical actions. Furthermore, this insight can greatly assist our legal system in assessing criminal responsibility and deciding on the most suitable path forward, be it imprisonment, rehabilitation, or a mix of both. Ultimately, understanding this intricate relationship is not just about ensuring justice in courtrooms, but it's also about promoting fairness in our everyday interactions. As this narrative concludes, let's remember, unraveling the intricate relationship between abnormal psychology and criminal behavior is not just an academic exercise. It's a societal imperative that could shape the future of justice, mental health care, and societal harmony. It's our responsibility to understand, to learn, and to act,